Good morning, dear students. Today you get back the test from last week. The results are very disappointing. I expected more from you. Especially from the two of you, Lisa and Sarah. You wrote a 4. It's below your level. But we also have better students in our class. Congratulations, Clara. You've got the best grade in class. I was particularly surprised by you, Jonas. You're second best. And that even though you've only just come to our school. You all should follow Clara and Jonas's example. Since the test was very poor, I would like to give you a chance. You'll get the chance to improve your grade. The principle is very simple. You're working in pairs. You must write a resume about the other person. Then you have to give a short presentation. The presentation should last 5 minutes.
Mr. Coons, may I work with Jonas?
No, Clara. This time I'll assign the groups. I've heard there's a fight in our class. You must get along with each other. That's life. Okay, let me think about it for a minute. Lisa, you're working with Jonas.
But Mr. Coons, I don't want to work with Jonas.
I don't want to work with Lisa either. I'd like to be in a group with Clara. It doesn't matter to me. Life is not a dream concert. You don't always get what you want. Either you work together, or you get a 6.
Who am I working with, Mr. Coons?
Clara, you are in a group with Sarah.
No, please don't. It's better to let me join a group with Moritz or Stefan.
Clara, you know the rules. Either you work with Sarah, or you get a 6. I hope you understood me. You have 2 days to create the presentation. I'll see you tomorrow.
Can you believe that, Lisa? Mr. Coons is really serious about that. Yes, I really need to work with Jonas. You're still lucky. I need to work with Clara. How am I supposed to do that? I don't even want to let them into my house. When you talk about the devil.
Lisa, you'd better be nice to me. If you want a good grade.
Let's see if that's even possible. Sarah, are we meeting after school today? I'm already looking forward to spending more time with you. I need a good grade, Clara. Don't do anything or you'll regret it. We'll see. Hee hee hee.
Lisa, we should meet too. We need plenty of time. You don't know anything about me yet.
I don't seem to have any other choice. Let's meet up at my house after school.
I'd love to. Ha 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 ha.
Don't disappoint me, Jonas. You know what else happens.
Don't be afraid, honey. I won't disappoint you. I promise you that.
I hope so. We don't want anyone to know your secret.
No, please don't.
Then stick to the plan.
I'm going to do that. I promise. Hello. Who are you then? Hello, Mr. Peters. My name is Jonas. Welcome to our home, Jonas. Thank you so much. Lisa and I are working on a project together.
I need to write a resume about Jonas.
Well, good luck with that. Come on, I'll make you something delicious to eat.
Thank you, Dad. You're the best.
Your dad is really nice, Lisa. I wish my parents were the same.
Yes, my dad is great. Come on, eat faster. The faster you eat, the sooner we'll be done. Then you can finally go again.
Don't you want me here?
Is that supposed to be a joke? You fooled me just 2 days ago. I got a bad grade because of you.
You know, I wasn't always like that. I used to be nice and helpful. But people change.
Good for you, Jonas. Are you finished yet?
Yes, I'm done.
Good, then we can get started. Okay, so I need to write a resume about you. But I know almost nothing about you. I only know that you're from Frankfurt. Tell me more about yourself.
I'm 12 years old. I enjoy playing soccer in my free time. I also love listening to music and reading.
You've forgotten something. You like to trick innocent people.
It's not what it looks like, Lisa.
What do you mean by that?
I didn't do that voluntarily.
I don't understand that. Why are you with Clara anyway? Don't you realize she's a bad child?
Trust me, I know that better than anyone else. But I must be on Clara's side. I don't have any other choice. I'm sorry if I've hurt you with that. I didn't want to do that.
Clara has something on you, doesn't she?
Yes, that is correct. Please don't tell her about our conversation. Otherwise, she'll tell everyone my secret.
What secret is that?
I can't tell you, I'm sorry.
Why does Clara know?
She tricked me. I trusted her. She took advantage of that.
You can trust me, Jonas. Together, we can defeat Clara.
I'm not so sure. You can't win against Clara.
That is not true. Clara has already lost here several times. Please tell me your secret. You can trust me, I promise you.
Okay, I'll tell you.
It is already 2:15 p.m. Where is Clara then? We made an appointment at 1400 hours. Is she even going to come? She is really unpredictable. I really need a good grade. Hey Lisa. How was your meeting with Jonas? It was really good. Jonas isn't angry. He is actually quite normal. Then why is he with Clara? He can't be normal. Jonas has a secret. Clara knows and blackmails him. She's just taking advantage of him. Typical Clara. How was your meeting with her? Which meeting? She didn't come. I'm not going to get a good grade. Clara, you've tricked me again. Of course. I don't need a good grade. Plus, it's much nicer to hurt yourself than to get a good grade. You really are amazing.
Good morning, dear students. Today you will present your group work. Sarah, you worked with Clara. Please briefly present your curriculum vitae.
Unfortunately, that is not possible, Mr. Coons.
Why? You didn't prepare yourself, for example.
Clara didn't come to our meeting. That is not true, Mr. Coons. Sarah didn't want to work with me. She said she'd rather get a 6 than work with me.
Is that true, Sarah?
Sarah is telling the truth, Mr. Coons.
Lisa, you're always on Sarah's side. You're best friends. Can anyone else confirm this? Anyone in the class? Sarah is telling the real truth, Mr. Coons. How do you know that, Jonas? I heard how the two of them got on a date. And how Clara admitted that she didn't come. Clara, what did I tell you? You must learn to work on a project together. Sarah, I'm so sorry. For the circumstances, you'll get a 1. Clara, you get a 6.
Tell me, are you crazy? You stabbed me in the back. I thought we were a team. You've lost, Clara. We'll see about that, Sarah. And now for you, Jonas. As punishment, I'll tell everyone your embarrassing secret. Everyone already knows Jonas' secret, Clara. Everyone knows they're adopted. It's not embarrassing, it's completely normal. You've got nothing left against Jonas, Clara. You're all alone now. No one is on your side. You have velayers. We'll see about that. The fun is just beginning.
How old is Jonas? A. 10 years. B. 11 years. C. 12 years.